Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to add items to your eBay inventory. So firstly, open eBay application on your device and then enter selling section at the bottom side of the screen and press this blue button, list an item. Here in the search bar, type in the name of the item you want to add. So for example, it will be sneakers. For example, and select the item that is most accurate to yours. And here you need to select the condition of your item that you want to sell. So it can be new with box, new without a box, new with defects, and pre-owned. For example, my sneakers are new with some defects. And here we have entered listing summary page. So now we need to upload some photos of the item. So those photos should be high quality and they should not be blurry. And the first photo is the photo that buyers will see, and this photo should attract some attention. Then we need to set the title of our product, category, condition, some item specifics, description. So write clear and detailed item description to explain all the features of your item, the condition, and any flaws. So here you can set the price of your item. So yeah, basically set the price. And here you can select the format of your price. So it can be an auction where buyers can compete for your item, or it can be a fixed price. And also choose the quantity if you have more than one item in stock. Press done button to save some changes. Here some preferences and shipping. So here you need to set up your shipping options. So here you can enter package details, and then you can select a service. So it can be economy service, standard, and some other services. Choose the one that best suits for you, and then save by pressing done button. And also you can enable the function promote your listing. That is the function that helps your listings stand out and sell better. And tap save for later button if you want to come back to your listing later, or tap list your item to publish your listing. And once you press this button, your item becomes part of your eBay inventory, and it appears under the active tab in the selling section. So I will show it to you. So here is the selling section, and if you press see all, and here you have active listings, you can see your listing that you have just added. And if you want to manage your listing later, return to selling, then enter active, and here will be the list, and here you can revise your item, update quantity, or for example end the listing anytime. So many options. So that's basically how we can add items to your eBay inventory. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please leave a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon, bye bye.